surprising how Maybelline just continues to wow us with its beauty treats every now and then. And they're back again, blowing us away with this whole lip polish range. Maybelline brings us its lip polish range, which looks very promising. This unique formula also has the great benefits of 3 products in one. A nourishing lip balm, fantastically pigmented color like a lipstick, and a really reflective, soft, lightweight gloss. You'll find that it's got a really interesting packaging, really slick, tiny. It looks expensive. It has this really unique leaf-shaped wand, and the curve helps it go into the curves of the mouth. You can see that there are some bristles that are really long and some that are stubby and short. When you layer it on, the shorter bristles actually go into the grooves on your mouth, the lines, and fill it with color. It's an amazing range of lip colors with 15 luxurious colors to choose from. That is so affordable, it's pocket money. We require testimonials at Glamorous.com. We're not simply going with their claims. We've decided to break it up into 2 looks to see how this product delivers itself in 2 completely separate situations. Well, that's the completed eye makeup for an office wear look, and all the products we used were by Maybelline. On the eyelids, I used a copper brown palette, which is a quad, and it has beautiful neutral colors. And there's also Colossal Kajal, which is on her lash line on the top and inside her waterline on the bottom. And just under the lash line at the bottom, I've used a crayon kohl, which is called Color Show. It's a range of colored pencils. Well, I've just finished off this with a very soft, subtle blush. It's called Cheeky Glow. The color is Creamy Cinnamon. And now's the surprise with Maybelline's star color from the lip polish range. It's Pop 6, which is a vibrant, really, really cool red. Absolutely love this color. Even as I apply it, the very first coat is really intense. Well, the USP of this product is that it has a biphase formula. By that I mean one phase of it applies the color evenly across the lips. The second phase imparts an even, slick, kind of reflective glow.
This is this fabulous color and it's making my lips pop literally.
That's awesome. Can you just tell us a bit, describe what it is that you're feeling and how is it different from what you want?
It's this smooth, tingling feeling. Just feels, especially in this weather, it feels as if I do not have any creases at all.
Thank you, Arisa, for your testimonial. If you're looking for a really neutral kind of color for warmer skin tones, there's also Glam 13, which is a beautiful neutral brown. Well, this is a great shade as well, a deep garnet, which is fantastic for deeper skin tones because it brings out the golden in your complexion. Now we're done with Arisa and she's totally flipped on the product. She loves it. Before we take a real vote, we're also going to do the party look on Sanchita. So we've just created this really simple club look for Sanchita using just Maybelline products. This is a Color Show product. It's a crayon kohl and I've used a mint and a soft reflective pink beige and of course Colossal Kajal. To top it off, I've used a Colossal Volume Express mascara. I have used on her cheeks Cheeky Glow blush and the color is Fresh Coral. To go with the really minty green on her eyes, I thought a perfect pairing would be a pink such as this. On Sanchita, who's fair, I have 2 other recommendations. One is Glam 5 and Glam 7. One being a slightly kind of nude coral and the other one is deep purple. So let's take a good, nice, rich dip. Just going to work the color onto her lips. I have not lined her lips, just going in with the color. Look at the pigment, it's just so creamy, so colored. I'm going to show you the color.
I love the color. I think it just goes with the full look.
The reflectiveness of this gloss has bounced off any of the dryness that was earlier there on her skin. Somebody in her 20s ready to play, I think it's a perfect product. We've had a hard day's work trying to prove that Maybelline's lip polish is the one that you must have. And a little confession. Well, on my lips, very muted as you can see, but I have used Glam 4 and I do agree that it's very hydrating. I didn't even have to think that I have to go and rehydrate my lips. Well, I hope you also go and check out the entire lip polish range and take a pick that's suited for you as well.